it's Nina with Worship Piano Tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to play the song Thank God I Do by Daigle. It's so beautiful. Ever since we opened a little school with my husband, our 7th and 8th graders have loved Daigle songs, so hopefully they can find this tutorial and learn how to play this song on piano. So this song is in the key of G, and if you press this note, it's going to sound off. So make sure the F sharp is always black, and wait till the end, because at the very end the chorus is so beautiful and light. But at the beginning, for the most part, the song is pretty low. It's going to be on this side of the keyboard and very moody, so it's beautiful. We're going to start out with 2 chords, which is the G chord. It looks like this. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Here's G. This is G, and this is the lower G. So we're going to start off with playing G like this, and then E minor, back to G. E minor, G. E minor, G. So that's kind of like the pattern here. It's definitely not like a super beginner song, but if you already know how to play, you can get it with lots of practice. So with our right hand, we're going to be playing this. And you're going to repeat that 3 times. And then the last time you're going to do. And then again. So you're going to see it all together. This is how it looks like. I've seen love come and I've seen love walk away. So you get the point. It's such a beautiful song, and it's honestly fairly simple enough, not very hard. So I'm going to do the introduction again, just a little tiny bit slower, and then we're going to get into the verse. And the verse has, guess what? Same chords as the introduction, and you're actually playing the same exact thing during the verse. So again, we're going to do the left hand first. So watch this. So notice how first it's the left hand, then the right hand starts. So 1. But for the second chord, you are going to hit on those 2, the E minor and this key right here at the same time. So first you have, and then together. And you're going to do that same thing 3 times. And then on the 4th time, and then you're going to move this finger to this E and your left hand to the C. And you're going to keep hitting this E note as a little transition into the verse. So you're going to keep hitting it. Let me count how many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've seen love come and I've seen love walk away. So many questions. Will anybody stay? So again, you're pressing. See how it's the same thing. You go again. It's been a hard year. So many nights and tears, all in the darkness, trying to fight my fears. So again, pressing on that E. Alone, so long, alone. I don't know who I'd be if I didn't know you. I'd probably fall off the edge. Okay, so I wanted you to just see that transition from the verse into the chorus. So a little bit about the verse, going back. You can tell how there's some empty spaces, and they're actually designed to be empty. So my fears, so and my voice is like because it can't take those low notes. And then alone. Oh, so when you go to that C, my fears. So trying to fight my fears. So see that empty space? Then we move into the G, and it's very quiet too. Alone, so long, alone. I don't know who I'd be if I didn't know you. So notice again those empty spaces. I'm gonna do it one more time, and there's most likely 8 beats between them. So for example, love the darkness, trying to fight my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alone. Okay, so again, I'm gonna redo that one more time. Trying to fight my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alone. 4, 5, 6, 7. So long. Alone. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know who I'd be if I. So I wanted to kind of go back there and put in those counts because there is a lot of empty spaces, and if you don't get those counts down, it will be very difficult. So you want to either tap with your foot, at the first time you want to count as you play, or if you're really good at rhythm, you're going to feel it out. You're going to feel the rhythm, and if you get it, that's great. So there's those empty spaces that I would say are the most challenging parts of the song probably. So I would say that between alone and so long, there's 4 beats. So alone, 3, 4, so long, alone. See that it's not too long. So between fears and alone, there's 8 beats. But between alone and so long, there's 4 beats. I'm going to do that one more time just because I do want you to get this down. If you totally got it, keep moving. You can skip ahead, but I'll show this just one more time very slowly. So, all of the darkness, trying to fight my fears. 6, alone, 3, so long. 6, 7. I don't know who I'd be if I didn't know. So just so you can see, between fears and alone, there's 8 beats. Between alone and so long, there's 4 beats. Alone, 2, 3, 4, so long. Alone. You can kind of build up if you want. Who I'd be. All right, now moving on to my favorite part, which is the chorus. So the chorus has a switch of chords, a little bit different. Okay, we have the G. I don't know who I'd. Then you have a D/F sharp, which means D over F sharp. It looks like this. So it means you have a D with your right hand and an F sharp with your left hand. Ooh, a little bit dramatic, don't you think? And then you go into E minor. From the edge, going into a C. And then that repeats. Again, G, D over F sharp, E minor, held in your hands. So I'm going to do the transition between the verse and the chorus, okay? I love the darkness, trying to fight my fears. Alone, so long, alone. I don't know who I'd be if I didn't know you. I'd probably fall off the edge. didn't get all the lyrics right. I apologize. But after that chorus, we're gonna go straight into that same instrumental as we did. Going to verse 2. I started breathing, the weight is lifted. Here with you it's easy, my head is finally clear. Again, that single E note, keeping the transition. There's nothing missing when you are by my side. I took the long road, but now I realize I'm home with you. I'm home. I don't know who I'd be if you didn't know. You would probably fall off the edge. So again, it's me and I still make mistakes, right? It's hard to manage the lyrics, manage those transitions, but I'm glad that you were able to see that transition between verse 2 and chorus. I'm allowing more of a build up and I'm allowing the chorus to be more loud. So that's the goal for the second chorus, to be a lot more loud because you are repeating it twice. So held in your hands again. I don't know who I'd be if I didn't know you. I'd probably fall off the edge. I don't know where I'd go if you ever let go. So keep me held in your hands. You're my safe place, my hideaway. You're my anchor, my saving grace. You're my constant, my steadiness. You're my shelter, my oxygen. I don't know who I'd be if I didn't know you. Thank God I do. And you go right back to that same instrumental. I will go back to the bridge just after this. I don't want to interrupt the song. Now watch, it's so pretty here. It's higher, okay? You're gonna play the inverted G that's a little higher. I don't know who I'd be if I didn't know you. I'd probably fall off the edge. I don't know where I'd go if I didn't, if you ever let go. So keep me held in your hands. I don't know who I'd be if I didn't know you. Thank God I do. You could end it off like that, or you can end it off with the instrumental. All right, I'm gonna go back to the bridge because I know that after the bridge I just went on just because I wanted you to see that all those transitions. But the bridge is, you build up in that second chorus. So keep me held in your hands, right? You're playing loud, you're hitting on those chords a lot. And then for the bridge, you're my safe place. That's a G. Again, same chords as the chorus. D over F. My hideaway, you're my anchor, my saving grace. You're my constant, my steadiness. You're my shelter, my oxygen. I don't know who I'd be if I didn't know you. So I just wanted you to see that full picture of where the bridge lies between those two choruses. It's so pretty, you guys. I'm so excited for you to learn this. If you learn this, please let me know. Comment and say, I got it. Or comment if it's too difficult. And that's it. If you guys need help in your piano ministry journey, go to pianoministrycourse.com, where I share all of my stories and what helped me playing in those difficult situations during transitions and when someone is speaking and all of that. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.